Today we're going to be making these sweet bells. This one is made out of vintage dictionary pages. This one over here was made out of magazine pages. And it actually has a bell in the bottom. So the one we're going to do today is out of dictionary pages. You could also do it out of music pages, scrap cardstock, newspaper, whatever you have. Also, you can decide how many pages you want in your bell. 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to take out about 5 pages from here. And then I'm going to cut out probably about 10 of these bells. Now the bell shape I just got off the internet. I just typed in bell silhouette and I found this. And then I'm going to go ahead and try to get 2 on each page to get my 10. Just simply outline this. Obviously I'm not doing it very neatly, but that's okay. And the first time I did this, I tried to fold this in half and then fold this in half and cut it. And cut this way, right on the fold. If you do that, you're going to wind up with some upside down ones. So that's why I'm not doing it that way. Now, the more bells that you cut out, the fuller your bell will be. So I'm going to do 10. But if you want something much fuller, you could do 20 or less. Totally up to you. Go ahead and cut these out. While I'm cutting these out, would be a great time for you to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the weekly tutorials. They all are about upcycled crafts, focusing on book folding, but now that we're at the holiday season, I decided to do this really sweet bell out of an old dictionary. So you can see how quickly this all comes together. I've seen this done out of old Harry Potter books, old wrapping paper. You could even do it out of your junk mail if you want, for that matter. How fun is that? So after you have your bells cut out, you're going to go ahead and fold them in half. Like so. If you have a bone folder, you could do that as well. The advantage of a bone folder is just that it makes the folds really, really nice and crisp. You could do it out of a credit card as well, or just your fingers. And then for this next step, you'll just need some simple white glue. And then you're just going to stack all your halves together. I told you this was going to be a simple one. So I'm going to continue gluing all of my halves together, and then when we meet back, I'll show you the final steps. So once you've gone ahead and glued all of your bells together, now I have a little bell right here that I just strung through a piece of twine. Then you're going to go ahead and add glue right here, and then glue on one side of the bell. If you prefer, you could have done this with a glue gun as well. I just like to have a little bit more wait time to kind of adjust everything. So go ahead and lay that down like so. And then you're just going to sandwich it right in the middle. Like so. And I'm just going to simply knot the top, trim off a little bit of the extra. And then you can go ahead and open this up. Make sure nothing's glued together. And there you have your bell. Now if you wanted to add a little bit more decor, you could. So I was going to, I have these little fake pine things and pine cones. I was just going to glue on the top like so. I think that's really pretty. So I was just going to take my glue gun and glue that right on top of the bell. Like so. And then I was just going to do the same. I have another one. I was just going to glue on the other side. Like so. I think that's really, really, really pretty. Like that. So there's my finished bell. If you prefer, you could use beads, ribbon. Really, there's so many different ideas you could do. Happy holidays.